So tell me, how do you come up with a structured process? So how would you start? How would you go about executing the business?
Sure. And this is the $150,000 question for most organizations. And I like to think about it as you think about the end, with the end in mind versus starting from the beginning, which for many folks is a challenge because they just want to jump in and get started. Again, particularly for maybe an early stage company or a growing company, they just want to get started. But I think of it like you're taking a trip with your friends. You would never just start designing a trip and say, this is where we're going, and this is the hotel, and these are the restaurants, and this is the food, and this is the activity. And you wouldn't think about, the other people that are participating in that trip. Of course, you would ask their opinion, what's of interest to them, what do they want to contribute? Are they allergic to some food, whatever it happens to be? And get their input, their preferences, what's their role in the trip, and plan it as a group. I think that the same thing happens when it's about developing a strategy. You're going to understand what the goal is. I think of it as like vision. What is the goal? What are the outcomes you're trying to get to? What's the strategy to support that vision? What's the structure or the tactical plan that will get you there? And then what are the results that you're getting? And if you aren't getting the results, you kind of need to back your wheel up to see if everything else has been clearly defined. And like I said, the trip is no different. You're going to get buy-in. What is the goal of this? What are we trying? What's the revenue we're trying to hit? What's the pipeline we're trying to hit? What is everybody contributing? What is sales contributing? What is customer success contributing? Marketing, upsell, cross-sell, etc. And then developing a strategy, typically 3 to 4 big rocks to support the goal of getting to that revenue number. And then each of those contributors developing a pretty tight plan, tactical plan to begin to execute against, with KPIs along the way so that they have that roadmap of what they're trying to accomplish.